Hey y'all, coming to you from Nichols Paint and Fab in Waseca, Illinois. It's Saturday and the open house will start at noon. People are starting to file in now, and so I thought I'd get on the live Facebook. Try to shoot a video of this Charger. This is a nice car, nice clean car. Yeah, I'll try to get you a feature on that one. But I thought we'd just walk around, kick around, and give a little call to action this morning. If you ain't got nothing going on and you can make it to Waseca, Illinois, come on down. This is where all the cool kids are today. And I always like to put Tom and Elaine on Facebook because they are they're not only fans of the channel, but they enjoy their time so much that, look, he's got his Dirty Dozen shirt on. Look at you. Look at that. No, this is what I want to see.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see, Tom's got his Dirty Dozen shirt on. We're live this morning. You don't have me on your phone, no. You're getting ready to get a notice. But I'll tell you, I'm live. Did you drive it?
Yeah.
From the house?
Yeah, from the house, which she has a house and feature.
Oh, okay. Wow. Well, cool. How are you, Elaine?
I'm good.
You got your shirt on too. Look at that.
I do.
Yeah, look at
Advertising
that.
for you.
Yes, I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming out.
I love it.
Yeah, let's see. They've got some cool cars coming in. Got some good vendors. Got Justin and Megan. Hey, Justin Nichols. Hey, I know you're busy. Well, I'm just trying to give a early shout out here this morning.
Yeah, we are, what, an hour and a half away from opening?
Yeah. It's already a full house.
We are in on a party.
Well, we got room.
We have room, but we already have a ton of cars here.
That's right.
Yeah.
And vendors.
And vendors, there's a ton of cool stuff here. Everybody's getting set up, and holy cow.
Yep, right. And again, the address just for people.
1800 North State Route 1, Waseca, Illinois.
If you get to Waseca, Illinois, go to the Indiana side of it on Mean Street, and you can't miss us. Ford store, Walmart, it's all
Wacky
here.
inflatable flailing arm guy.
And yeah, right. You can't miss that. And there'll be a big radio wagon out here sometime.
That's right. Yeah, it'll be right up there in about half hour or so.
Right on. And again, the whole world is invited.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
We invited the whole world, Megan. Is that okay?
It's perfect.
Good. What are you drinking this morning?
Coffee.
Okay.
So
Okay.
far.
All right.
So far.
Yeah, Justin was looking for whiskey at 8:30 this morning.
It
Poor
was-
kid.
I
We're going
haven't
to
gotten
get through
yet.
it, baby.
What's that?
We're going to get through it.
We are, and
Yeah.
I'm glad you're here.
No, I appreciate what you're doing. Thank
Right on.
you.
Thanks, pal.
Yeah, no, we got vendors. We got some artwork going on out here. Bunches and bunches of cool hot rods. We got Dan with a Lumacraft. You know what? I've heard of Dan with a Lumacraft. Let me go by this. Dan with a Lumacraft's a really nice guy. Dan, how you doing this morning, brother?
ScottieD.
Good. I finally got to meet you today. I told you. I was like, I always hear about Dan from Lumacraft, but now I know Dan from
Here we are,
Lumacraft.
Dan from Lumacraft, Domer from Lumacraft. My dad that started the company.
How long ago did you start the company?
We started in 1988.
Wow. So you kind of grew up in the business.
Yeah, well, actually, talking about growing up, our first 3-rod nationals, I rode the rumble seat of my father's 33 Dodge Coupe to Memphis in '71.
How cool is that?
Yeah, so we've been around for quite a while. I was 5 years old that year, so.
And you know what's funny about that is everybody thinks I've probably experienced everything in the car world you could experience, but I've never ridden in a rumble seat. Okay? So Jimmy Posey with Big Oak, he's got like a Chevy that he's got a rumble seat in, and he's promised me a ride in a rumble seat.
There
So
you
I'm
go.
hoping I'm like a week or two away from my first ride in a rumble seat. I can't wait. I hope I'm not over imagining it.
Oh no, it's a trip.
It's a trip.
Yeah.
For people that are not familiar, what does Lumacraft do?
We do grill inserts and custom machining. Do over 100 different kind of grills for Chevys, Fords, Dodge, Plymouth, Chrysler, not Chryslers, but a bunch of the what I call the concept cars, the Wild Rods and the Speed Stars, that kind of thing. And we've recently got into doing more muscle car stuff. We got a line of Camaro grills with this. I started doing one-piece taillights for the C10 pickup trucks that are really, really popular. So having all
those are
kinds of
nice.
fun, just branching out, getting more out. Still building grills every day for
Right.
the hot rod, street rods, a pre-48 crowd. But just as the demographics change, you have to change with the business also. So we got into doing the muscle car stuff to go along with it.
Well, that's cool because I see what is
Yeah, we got Goldman Chevelle,
right.
Sonny Freeman.
We got
Chevelle.
a feature on that one.
Yep.
Yeah.
We did. The only thing, the easiest way to describe on that blue Chevelle, the only thing I didn't do on the outside of the car was the mirrors and the wheels.
Okay.
So we machined the grill, the bumpers, hood vents, door handles, the whole taillight panel.
So if it's not in your catalog, you also do one-off custom
Do
stuff.
one-off stuff all the time.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we
and you did
literally
you did a lot of work on Nichols 32.
Yeah, just Nichols twin turbo 32 Roadster pickup truck. We did the headlights and the grill and the firewall on that.
Man.
And the cantilever arms in the back, and we've literally gone from literal napkin sketches to a finished part. So if you have a CAD model, I can work off of that. If you have a napkin sketch or just an idea in your head, we can put it on paper and turn it into reality.
How cool is that?
Yeah, so it's a
and
lot of fun.
if people want to know more about you, what's the best way to do that?
Just Facebook is Alumicraft Grills, website's alumicraft.com, and you got to spell it A-L-U-M-I craft, because if you spell it A-L-U-M-A craft, you go to a boat company. That's not me.
Right.
But alumicraft.com, real simple. Website's up to date, all that kind of stuff.
Where are y'all out of?
We're out of central Pennsylvania.
Okay. So just to make sure they get the right Alumicraft,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
out of Pennsylvania.
yep.
Fellas, I appreciate the time. Thanks so much.
for stopping by.
Yeah.
Enjoy the show.
Yep. And everybody will notice that Justin loaned me some tire shine this morning. And so the Mustang's not clean, but the tires look good. We're going to get some cars here, guys. Look at that Nova, right? Oh, that's nice. Look at that, would you? A Nicky Camaro. Hey, how you doing, brother? And I shot a Yanko Camaro yesterday. Look at that. We're going to take a slow stroll because I don't want to make 2 trips. I just want to make 1 coming down here.
As if I don't say anything.
Yeah, this place is going to, it's where all the cool kids are going to be today, guys. And the weather's going to be beautiful. It's not too hot. Everything's invited. You know, if it's cool, bring it out. You got new Corvettes. You got pickup trucks. Give you a little shot of that sign there. See, it even says on the sign, be the cool kid on the block. And again, we are at Nichols Paint and Fab, Waseca, Illinois. And let me, I'm not going to pronounce it right every time because I don't know why, but I'm one of them fools that put an S on it. It's Illinois, and I call it Illinois. I'm sorry. Look at that. We even got cool motorcycles. If you followed Nichols Paint and Fab any amount of time, you'll know that Justin's done his share of motorcycles. Nice SS Blazer. How cool is that? We've got Mopars out here. How you doing, brother?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Thank you. Yeah, look at that. Who doesn't like those? Foolish if you don't. You never ridden one if you don't like them. I can tell you that. I like that. I like that Viper green on that Mustang. It's going to be a good show. I'm looking at cars and you guys are looking at the asphalt. I don't mean to do that. Let me get back to doing my job. Taking care of y'all. Yeah, no, I think that it's going to I think it's going to be a blow up day. I think we're going to have good weather. I think we're going to have a lot of cool cars. The Nichols crew have been working feverishly to get everything clean and prepared. Oh yeah, little tidbit there. There's the rental car. You will be able to rent that car and do burnouts so that you don't have to tear up your own car. How cool is that? I've never been to a deal where they'll rent you a car. And yes, they are bringing several sets of tires. So let's roam through here. This is where, between 2 buildings, is where they're going to have some food. Let's see what we got going on with that. See what kind of food we got going. Just a beautiful facility. Looks like we got some drinks going in there. Got ice cream. Ice cream, you know, I like ice cream. Paw Pete's. We got Monster grilled cheese. Now, I've not had one of those, but man, people have been talking about it. Let's see what we got going here. Give you a little look of the choices you'll have from this vendor. Yeah, we got some barbecue going on over here. And again, Waseca is a farm community. Give you a little sneak peek there of what's going on. Oh, we got tacos. We got tacos, ice cream, barbecue, grilled cheese sandwiches. My goodness. Cash or card, I'm sure they'll take either. Going up here, looks like they're putting in, I didn't even know about this. We've not mentioned this all day, not even yesterday. We have a kids zone. Hey, will you all do me a favor? See this gentleman right here? This man right here not only protects our country, not only is he a service member, but he is trampled on by his family.
Yes.
Huh? Is it not true?
No, 100%.
Yeah, and I hate to see it.
It's okay.
I mean, the man, he defends our country, and he can't even order his own flavor of margarita.
You're damn right.
Man.
I don't even like strawberry.
Keep him in your prayers if you don't mind. Justin had some friends come down from Michigan that he rides in the sand dunes with. A really cool group of guys and girls. And we were at dinner last night, and the waitress asked that boy there what he wanted to drink, and he started to tell her, and his wife jumped in and said, "No, we want a pitcher of margaritas. Cancel that order." So, a little backstory on why I brought that up. But again, back to the task at hand. We got a kids zone going in. We got bathrooms. We have a brand new 35,000 square foot building that you'll want to see. Just absolutely gorgeous. The showroom's gorgeous. The shops are gorgeous. Clean room, assembly room, paint and body. They got it all. And I'm getting in the way. How could that be possible? How could I possibly get in the way? I'm on the back side of the building. Yeah. So there you go. Nichols Paint and Fab, Waseca, Illinois. Grand opening, open house. It's going to be a big party. The radio flyer wagon is here, which means that's my cue to get my Mustang moved and get it parked. So we'll do that. We got a Fiero. Oh my goodness. This is the car I drove to Illinois for. Right here. You know I gotta get that. How crazy is that? Oh, get out of my way. Give me the camera. There you go. Look at that. Cool hot rod. Beautiful Nova. Got the radio flyer wagon. Main Street, Waseca, Illinois. And I came to the wrong side. Anyways, let's do the building. Nichols Paint and Fab. Grand opening, open house. It's open to the world, guys. It doesn't matter. There's no ticket. There's no cover charge. It's just come out and have a good time with a bunch of car people. You're going to enjoy yourself. And of course, like I said, I'm here. I'm going to be shooting some features. Once this thing gets kicking and rolling this afternoon, I'll come back and try to do another live with you. But if you're in the area, you can get in the area. Please come out and see us. We're going to have a good time today. Anyways, hope you all have enjoyed the walk around this morning from Nichols Paint and Fab in Waseca, Illinois. See ya!